Welcome everyone. Hope all is well and you guys are having a good day. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my carrot raisin salad. And there I'm making a small batch, so I just have 2 carrots. And so I'm removing the skin, and then I'm going to wash them and shred them on my grater. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, share if you like what you see here, and welcome to the family. Thank you so much for watching, because I know you could have chosen any other video to watch, but you chose to watch ours, so we truly appreciate it. So there I'm showing you how I cut off the heads of the carrot. I wash it and then I am going to be grating it. You can use a food processor if you'd like, but I like the thickness when I use my grater. So I'm just gonna grate it down. And there is the finished product. So then I have 1 orange, which I'm trying to get some rind off, just a little bit of rind to flavor the salad. And you notice I'm using the other small side to the side that we use for the carrot, the smaller holes. So then I'm scraping it down with my spoon. I'm using some sour cream, some yogurt, some mixed berry yogurt. You can use plain yogurt if you like. I'll use some mayonnaise for that sauce, some sugar, some honey, some walnut and raisin, and a little bit of celery as well. So for this small recipe, you could say we use maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon of each of the items, and about 2 ounces of raisin. So if you want to upscale that, you know what to do. So I'm just adding in all those ingredients. I added a little bit of sea salt and some sangria wine and a little bit of lime juice as well. Now I'm going to be adding in the rind of my orange and the honey, and then we're just going to combine those together. I started off with a spoon, and then I'm going to use a whisk to make sure we get everything all completed. And mix together properly. So there I'm adding in my sugar, and then I use the whisk to do the final combination of ingredients. Now I'm tasting it to make sure I have the correct flavor, and then I'm going to be adding just a touch of cinnamon powder. Once we incorporate that, then we're going to be adding raisins and carrot. I do a little bit at a time. combine those, and then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. My walnuts. So just combine all those ingredients. Then you can add some fresh apples if you have that. And then I'm going to be adding some celery. I didn't put apples in this one, but I did put some celery. Once you combine all of those, then you just garnish with some raisins and some fresh carrot, and then sprinkle with a little bit of cinnamon, and you put it in the refrigerator to keep chill. I thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your day. See you on the next video. Bye.